If you want to subscribe to the live screen sharing room on DAX and watch every day the live trades I do on time during the market hours, the first hour of cash trading and then US session, and why I'm taking these trades, you can go on my Twitter page here at this name and click this on the pin tweet here, this link which will prompt you to a PayPal subscription service which is have a small description here, and the first 2 days is free, then you can have free cancellation if you wish so, and then it's just 19 euros a month. So if you click login here, then this will prompt you to a subscription details, and then you will need to let me know about this so I can send you the password, and so you can be able to log in every day and watch the live screen sharing. Or you can just go to my YouTube channel here, which I upload every day the video after what happened after the European cash market closes, and this is the link here of the everyday recording after the market closes. So this is just free, so you can feel free to go here and just watch this. Hello everyone, so let's see what we are today. We opened within yesterday's range and value area. I need to see if price fails at 6.15 here, which is yesterday's value area high, and then move towards the 600 area for a move down to 570s. This is for the bear scenario. On the other hand, if we just see a breakout of initial balance high, it will target a move up to 650s yesterday high, then eventually 700s here. Okay, so we have some initial resistance here at initial balance high first test. This will be nice short, although now waiting to see if this will hold on VWAP here, and then we have another retest to go long for a move up to yesterday's high. Let's give it a couple of minutes. Seeing some initial support here on VWAP, need to see if 600 is yesterday's point of control. If price goes here and holds support, then I would like to go long for a move up to initial balance high, then eventually higher up to yesterday's high. Initiated a long position here against 600 here. This is important level to see if it holds yesterday's point of control. If this is about to hold, then we need to see price going above VWAP, then taking out the high of the day, initial balance high, for a move up to yesterday's high potentially. Let's see if this will happen. Scale out first target 10 points here, nice entry straight on target. Now we need to see if we have the breakout here for a move towards 700s eventually. First targeting yesterday's high 650s or so. Need to go above initial balance high, hold, then grind higher. Also, if you want to have a look on the bigger picture perspective here, a few years back on the daily chart here, looking we broke out this 2015 swing high here, held support, now moving higher. Also broke out 11,000, as you are probably aware, and 800s multi-month consolidation. So now perhaps price can go up to 11,800, which is this swing high here, then eventually up to all-time highs. Too early to say though, but this is where price is heading. Just flattened the rest of the long position here. Price failed again here. Now need to see if it goes below 600 here. I would like to go short for a move down towards 560s, 570s, yesterday's value area low, unless this just holds again and trade sideways. Need to give it some time now. Initiated another long here against 600, seeing support again. Perhaps this can absorb, then gradually grind higher. Need to give it some time though. Flatten the long position here. Would like to go short here for a breakdown of 600s. Price moving slowly here. I gave it a go and shorted now for a move down to initial balance low of the day, then eventually down to 560s, 570s area. Price moving lower here. Need to see if we flash below initial balance low here and what it does, if it holds and just chopping around here, or if it finds direction towards the lower levels of yesterday's range. Scale out first target here 600s, now targeting these 570s, eventually yesterday's low. So we are 1 minute until the first 30 minutes of the first hour of cash trading here. Need to see this first 30-minute candle sold off straight, failed to go further high here above 600s and Bollinger Band. Need to see if the second one will give us a move down towards yesterday's low and what it does there, if it holds for continuation and breakout of this kind of lower high trend here, or if we continue lower. Need to see if this will flash further down here. Scale out second target here since the entry at 600, now 20 points. Now looking to see if we go further down towards value area low of yesterday or the low of the day. So we see price great resistance here at initial balance low, now straight down. Need to see if it takes down yesterday's lows here and basically what it does at value area low of yesterday, and if it goes down to the low of the day. Very nice failure up to value area high of yesterday's session and initial balance high today, then retest, then straight down. Okay, so here we are 1 hour and into the cash trading, very nice short position here. Scale out 3 targets, although price failed to extend lower towards the low of yesterday's session, but again failed again here above yesterday's value area high, failed on point of control, now straight down here. Then now need to wait to see if this will range here and then it will trend lower towards 500s, or if this will just balance sideways. Okay, so here we are a few minutes later. You can see straight support at yesterday's low to the tick here. I got long here, now willing to scale out as this goes towards VWAP here and towards 600s. Okay, here we are a few minutes until the US cash open. You can see here price held support at yesterday's low very nicely. Here this is where I got long earlier, although price failed to extend even towards even at VWAP here, and I scaled out the position here, then flattened the rest. Very nice to the tick entry though. So then price faked down further lower, then held resistance here at the first hour of cash trading low, now failing generally above VWAP, so perhaps this can be a retest and then a retest of the low of the day here. Need to see now if the low of the day will hold here for support for a move up to volume weighted average price in order to see a kind of balanced day behavior. Okay, so we have SPY here open, gapped up, open, driving higher above 226, although DAX still lagging behind. Question now is if SPY will hold, then this will be nice long opportunity for DAX move up to 600. Although it will be better to see this down at the low of the day, and what it does if it holds, then a long potential there. Also too early to say, but nice tick holding above its zero, so short term strength here. I initiated the long position here at 64s. If SPY will hold above 226, then DAX will likely go above VWAP, then eventually up towards 600s. We'll need to see if it holds VWAP here and then grind higher. This is nice trade location, as this is the low of the first hour of cash trading range, multiple support and resistances there earlier, so let's see if this will hold now. Although I said earlier we prefer the price to go down at the lows and then see if to go to initiate a long there. Let's give it some time and see if this will gradually develop to towards the upside. Out of the long here, need to see if this will go towards the low of the day and wait to go there and see if it holds for one more time long here. Initiated another long here at 64, same price here for the same potential move towards 600s, failed to extend lower as of now. Flatten second trade here long, now waiting to see if it goes at the low of the day here. Price sold off down to value at low of the day. Need to see if this will hold or give us even a retest of the low of the day and hold support, and then I would like to go long for a move all the way up towards VWAP. Let's give it some time to see where this 30-minute will close, and if the next 30-minute candle opens, give us a retest, then go higher, or even if it extends further down. Had some bounce here at the value low of the day and low Bollinger Band, although I initiated a short position here 49s against these 61s here. Price constantly failing all day. 62 is the point of control, so need to see if we go towards a retest of the low of the day. Also on the 5-minute here you can see how clear the support was. This was great entry long, although I missed it because I was waiting for a pullback to see if it holds or not, but then immediately bounced. Of course this can be just another balanced day and price go all the way up to 81, which is value area high. So let's give it some time. At the moment I'm short for a move down towards the low of the day though. Just flatten this position here, no reason to holding. This is just trading very tightly, although the best trading opportunity was this long, this support here at the value low of the day 42s here to the tick. Now just trading sideways. Perhaps we can see some rotation up towards 580s or so, not sure about this. Another resistance here against this first hour of cash trading low. Perhaps it's a good opportunity for a short against this, but price down, don't really like the way it trades, just chopping around and trading like a 20 points maximum. Okay, so here we are a few minutes until the the European cash close, so you can see price just trading sideways here. This morning failure at the European cash open was very nice short here towards the value area low of yesterday and yesterday low as well, then got long here. We see on the minute chart a summary of the trades. Initiated a long position anticipation, this can break out. Of course this failed, flattened the rest, then got short here and scale out full targets as price went lower. Now price, this was the support of yesterday's low, got long up here, then scale out, flatten the position, failed to extend further upside. Mostly trading sideways with a failure to hold above VWAP generally. Also you can see the nice tick holding firmly above zero, very clearly both lows and highs here, so DAX is lagging behind though. SPY is narrow range but towards the upside.